Attention job seekers. Are you tired of spending countless hours crafting your resume from scratch? Introducing our revolutionary resume template, designed to showcase your skills and experience in a visually appealing and professional manner. Download this template from the given link to stand out from the sea of applicants. Make a lasting impression with our customizable templates, where you can effortlessly insert your professionally captured photo and essential details. Here, you can incorporate your contact details, ensuring potential employers or clients can reach out to you for exciting opportunities. Showcase your educational details, including degrees, certifications, and institutions attended, to highlight your qualifications and academic achievements. Put an end to wasting your precious time, money, and effort on creating resumes from scratch. Download this resume template from the link provided. With customizable sections and visually captivating designs, you can confidently showcase your career journey, highlight key accomplishments, and demonstrate your expertise with specific examples using this PowerPoint template. Looking for the extra edge against others in the job race? Demonstrate your skill level for any desired role, ensuring you stand out among competition. Visit www.slideteam.net for more templates.